Hello students, today I am going to tell you about the haloform reaction, which is the part of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So in this reaction, haloform reaction, so in this reaction is given by acetaldehyde, that is CS3C double bond OH, all methyl ketone CS3COR, and all alcohol contain, that is CS3CHOH R dash. If R dash is H, then it is primary alcohol. If R dash is not equal to H, then it is secondary alcohol. But there is a must be presence of this CH3 group. Okay, presence of CH3 group. This CHOH, that is primary or either secondary alcohol, near there is a must presence of CH3 group. Okay. Sorry. So let's see the first statement. When alcohol or methyl ketone is warmed with sodium hydroxide and iodine, a yellow precipitate is formed. The reagent is sodium hypoiodide, that is its structure is NaOI. Its formula is NaOI, that is sodium hypoiodide, and it will be formed by using this sodium hydroxide and iodine. Okay, during this reaction the sodium salt of carboxylic acid and the iodoform will be formed. Okay, in which one carbon atom is less than the substrate, means here is 3 carbon is there, you got only 2 carbon of the acid, salt of carboxylic acid, and 1 carbon which get converted into iodoform. Okay. So let's see its mechanism. First, here I am taken a bromine Br2. It means you have to take an NaOH plus Br2. You can also take the I2 also, but here I am using Br2. In this way, see its mechanism. So this is acetone. Okay, CH3C double bond OCH3. This is alpha hydrogen atom, which is more acidic hydrogen. So base can be abstract the proton. This abstract the proton and donate the electron, and it pulls electron towards the carbonyl carbon of the oxygen, and formation of enolate ion. Okay, and that enolate ion is stable. Now this enolate ion gives the bromine, and there is a substitution takes place, means replacement of one hydrogen by Br. In this way there is a total 3 hydrogen atom. So by the same mechanism there is a again formation of enolate and again substitution of this bromine ion. Same thing in the third hydrogen atom. This one also abstract by base, formation of enolate, and substitution takes place by bromine. In this way the 3 hydrogen atom which get replaced by 3 bromine atom. Okay, now again this base will be attacked to this carbonyl carbon. Now this OH minus, now it acts as a nucleophile which is attacked to the electrophilic carbonyl carbon, and here OH minus acts as a base. Okay, so in this way this nucleophile attack to the carbonyl carbon, delocalization, carbonyl carbon pulls the electron towards the oxygen atom. Again it gives back and removal of this CBr minus anion. Okay, that is tribromomethane anion, and here is a formation of ethanoic acid. or acetic acid. Now this tribromomethane anion is abstract this H plus, means it acts as a base, and of course this is acid which abstract it, which donate it, and here is a formation of bromoform, that is CHBr3, and here is a salt of carboxylic acid. In this way you can use the iodine, and here is a formation of iodoform. So this is our mechanism. This test is shown by carbonyl group which next having the CH3. There is a must presence of CH3 group, and CHOH, of course there is also presence of methyl group, that is CH3 group.